What is going on, members of the Burger Empire? Brian here for Body by Burgers. And what I want to talk about today is New Year's resolutions. That's right, New Year's is just around the corner, whether we like it or not. 2018 has come and 2018 has nearly gone. And what do I have to show for it? Some weight loss. Started 2018 at about 330 pounds or so, dove down to like 270, now I'm like 290, but we'll figure that out. But anyway, 2019 is just around the corner, and what I want to talk about is my ambitions, my goals, and what I'm going to try and accomplish in the year 2019. This is strictly health and fitness related, because I want to start to make my career in health and fitness. I know that's been a goal of mine since you guys have started to see this YouTube channel, and I have kind of, been up and down, left and right, and not really had any focus, direction, or mindset to be there. I really feel like in 2018, I laid a lot of groundwork to have that push to try and get to where I need to be within the health and fitness world. So 2019 is going to hopefully start to bring that transition into health and fitness being my career. Now, whether that is going to be here on YouTube, whether or not that's going to be personal training online, in a gym, whatever the case may be, the goal for 2019 when it comes to personal career orientation is to try and make it in the health and fitness world. I would love to get a website booted up and trying to start sell merch and trying to diversify a portfolio more so than just the guy on Instagram or the guy on YouTube, because we all know that there is going to be a crash at some point, and it's kind of starting to show already, where you need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watched in 365 days before they even monetize you. But it's going to hopefully, I've got ideas in mind and I know where I want to go. It's just a matter of coming up with funds to try and start that merch page. I got t-shirt ideas. I'm pretty sure I can do a little thing here and there with some homemade jewelry and figure life out. So that is one of the goals for 2019, start to transition my life more into health and fitness. Now, whether or not, like I said, that's merch sales, whether or not that's YouTube, personal training online, or in a gym in person, that is the goal when it comes to my career in health and fitness. I've already got a personal training certificate and let one expire, but I have one currently through ISSA, or the International Sports Science Association. And speaking of certificates, that is another goal for 2019 is education, education, education. If there's anything that G.I. Joe taught us as children, knowledge is power, right? So I'm going to go out and read more than I've ever read before. I've got half a dozen books that I haven't touched as of yet that are related to health and fitness and things that we can all learn, and then I can relay the message to you guys, bring more value for you to my social medias, both on Instagram and here on YouTube as well. I really want to go out and get my nutrition certificate from ISSA. I think nutrition is invaluable knowledge to have. Along with my nutrition certificate, there is a guy in town that actually does the blood test for food intolerances here in town, so I want to get that done for myself as well. The ultimate goal out of getting all of this education is to get a degree in sports science. Now, I know ISSA is starting to offer an associate degree in sports science, which I think would be invaluable. So that's kind of the goal, is to work towards that. Just trying to figure out these things out at 30, which is okay. At least I'm figuring out my path and my career in my life at 30 instead of 50, 60, 70. But even at 30, I still have 40 hard years of working ahead of me. Speaking of getting that blood work done to see what my food intolerances are, my health and fitness goals for 2019 is to literally lose weight still. That's always going to be a battle with myself. Losing weight is the key. I mean, that's the foundation of Body by Burgers, and I've always got goals in mind where I need to improve, both with physical health and mental health as well. It's kind of insane how much my mental health actually contributes or takes away from my physical health. And if I'm not in the proper mindset, if there's anything that the past month or so has shown in with stress, anxiety, whatever the case may be, my physical health takes a toll as well. So it's going to be a matter of finding what works for me, adapting and changing everything that goes on with my mental health in order for my physical health to take precedence. So I'm going to weigh myself as of January 1st. I'm going to let you guys know what I weigh, and we're going to track that from there in hopes of being under 250 at any given point in the year. Like to be under 250 before I run my first Spartan race, and I'm crossing my fingers that I get the chance to run 2 Spartan races this year, both a sprint and a super. We'll go from there. Not only that, but when it comes to things that aren't weight loss related, I guess I need to dedicate myself more to just the lifestyle in general. And I know you guys see it, like I preach it a lot, and everything that I do goes on Instagram, but not everything I do goes on Instagram. I just think I need to be okay with the fact that there is no balance if I need to achieve what I need to achieve. And every waking moment, every waking second that I have will be dedicated to health and fitness, and nothing's going to stop me from making me not only healthy, but inspiring those others and bringing value to you guys on this channel and all of my platforms. So that is the framework for 2019. Get skinny, get in the industry, and inspire others, to summarize. But got a little dark for a second there, because I know I'm not finishing 2018 in the hopes that I had. But I've made that realization, and now that I've made that realization, it's easy to make that change. So thank you for watching the video today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to like that video. In the comment section below, I want to hear your guys' New Year's resolution. It doesn't have to be health and fitness related. It can be personal, it can be business, it can be financial. Do whatever you need to do. Put that in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's the only way to become a member of that Burger Empire. Make sure to hit that bell notification, because I have kind of a cool mini-series coming up that I don't want you guys to miss. And as always, thank you for watching today's video. And until next time, Burger Power.